What starts as a routine court hearing quickly turns into a series of shocking moments. One defendant is warned they could face up to 20 years in prison for allegedly assaulting a police officer. Another learns that past felony convictions could dramatically increase the punishment for a new charge. And then comes a bizarre case involving a rental car that's been missing for 3 years, leaving the judge asking one question: where is the car? Watch until the end to see how these courtroom exchanges unfold and what happens when excuses collide with accountability.
The state of Texas versus Layla Cornbridge. And you were here with Mr. Adams, your attorney, and the state's attorney. And once again, for the record, you were charged with a second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. By striking the officer with a purse, it was signed. And this indictment alleges a second-degree felony again, which means you are facing up to 20 years in prison. It's not a wise idea to strike a police officer who's doing their job. I'm going to reset this for an announcement. And please get a resetting. Anything else from the state?
Nothing further from the state, Judge.
Okay. Sigfrido Hippolito. It's almost rhymes. What's the name that rhymes?
It does.
Sigfrido Hippolito.
Hippolito. And he is here.
He certainly is. That's you, sir?
Yes,
Okay. And Mr. Adams, is your attorney? Are you still at 13034?
I should know.
Okay, I need your new address. That was Knollcrest. You've moved. All right, we got to keep up with you here because you were just indicted in April. They would have used your address that you gave them in April. So you moved recently?
Yeah, I'm working here for project for Becker.
So that's where you're living now?
I'm studying.
Okay. Give me the address then.
25 City Circle Porch, Texas.
25 what?
C.
C is in Charles?
C is in Charles, but C Circle Porch, Texas. I'm ready to meet there.
Is that a room number?
It's a house. I'm ready to move.
And what's the zip there?
Yeah,
Zip code?
776
All right. Okay. You were charged here with the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle on or about February 14th, 2026. That would have been Valentine's Day, I think. But it doesn't end there. We, all defendants charged with criminal cases, the factoring that goes in on determining what is the punishment is based upon the crime and circumstances of the case and criminal history. And I don't have to tell you, you've got 2 convictions here in October of 2022, felony convictions of assault on family members out of the 185th District Court of Harris County, Texas. So what that means is if you were found guilty of this first crime, and if these 2 other allegations are indeed proven true, the third-degree felony bumps up to a second-degree felony punishment because you get punished more for subsequent crimes. So you could be looking at up to 20 years in prison on this case. So it's serious. So you want to make sure you heed the advice your attorney gives you. And it's going to be set on the announcement document.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what else? Do we need anything else to do in this case?
That's it.
State, anything to sound in on?
Nothing further from the state.
Okay, please get a resetting. Ricardo Kelly.
He's here. There you go.
It's an announcement.
Yes, Judge, on his case.
You were part of Kelly.
Part of Kelly, yes, sir.
And state jail felonies here. This seems like that's fixable, but I
Yes,
don't know.
the way I think it can be fixed, Judge, is that it involves the Avis rental car, and I think in the value they had the car is $24,282. To my understanding, what might be a fix with district attorney's office is them getting that car back. I think that's well. I don't think
You're correct.
It's right. It doesn't.
Well,
It's so
they don't. Where's the car?
well. Pete,
It was in his position, but it was. Was it? Hang on.
This is the one last time.
Oh, it was a rental, right?
if he's supposed to get the car.
This was a rental.
Correct.
October 30th, 31st, going on 3 years ago. It's still being rented.
No. Nobody said this. I don't know.
Well, they don't have the car back.
I don't believe they have a car back.
What the heck is that all about? Where'd the car go?
Okay, the thing is, I put the car rented for someone, and they did bad with the
That's
car.
your problem too.
Yeah, but I'm not going to say that if I didn't do nothing with the car.
No. You rented it from.
Yeah,
Rental.
that's my fault for putting my name on
Yeah,
it.
well, that's your responsibility when you write. That's a deal, a contract you made.
But I
You're
didn't.
you're subject to being responsible for it. You just don't then subcontract them away. That's your problem. That's why they indicted you.
I'm not taking it.
The other guy may be in trouble too, but this is your response. When you sign your, you make a deal, you make a contract,
Right,
and that means under the law, you're held accountable.
And I believe
That's
what
a
he
lot of
was
money.
He was to get the car back from the person who actually took possession of the car.
When would that happen? We're talking 3 years ago. The loss of value is, I mean, he's got all kinds of problems here. There's no way it's the same value. It's lost its value over 3 years of use. But I don't think they're going to be happy about it. I mean, these are generally, oh, it's Avis. Well, they're not letting that slide. Oh,
But I didn't want to put it on trial because the reason why I didn't want to do that was
no, it's 3 years old. Langston, we got to move it one way or the other now. Where are we going to go? It's 3 years old. This is stalled. It's getting aged. It's too old. This fish are gut bait right now. What are we going to do?
There's no idea in this marriage. So
You're mumbling. I can't hear you, sir.
I'll take the 5 years probation to get this out.
he said he'll take.
Where's the car?
I don't know. The other person did something with the car. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
Yeah, they're in the
okay. You're going to have to do something though to help the police and
Yeah,
agents get that thing.
That's what I'm.
And that's going to be a condition if you're on probation. That's a condition of your probation that you 100% cooperate with the authorities to get that darn car back.
And that's fine.
Okay, oh, that's the right thing.
1 week to limit in office this one, and I'll work because I think it's not going to be a trial. I'm positive. To talk with him about it, and then I can give him a job.
Okay, is 1 week good for everybody?
Yes.
We'll reset this 1 week and see if we can move it next week with, and just kind of get all the plans in order of what he's going to need to do to cooperate as a term of probation. I want that because he's got a responsibility to help out and get that, do what he can to get the vehicle back. And then that person, do you even know where that person is?
Yes. I'm in contact with the person trying to get them to come.
Well, what's the problem? Well, it's been 3 years.
There's something shady about it. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you think? Are they a friend of yours?
It's a friend of mine.
What kind of friend is that? You're stuck. You stuck you.
That's why I'm trying to get those live there.
I wouldn't be-
Find my name.
You still a friend?
You know?
That's not the definition of a friend. If you look at the dictionary. All right, get a resetting 1 week.
Just hold it. We'll make it happen.
Matthew, show up.
What do you think about the judge's decisions in these cases? Were they fair, or would you have handled things differently? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, legal cases, and surprising judge reactions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.